Hello and welcome back to Dominator 675 Models, and today we're doing a second subscriber models video and I'll be announcing the model of the week. So let's get straight into this with this 110 BF110 by Derpy KB2 submitted on my Discord server. I really like this model and I think he's done a grand job. Nice build quality, looks great, but maybe look a little bit more on neatness of painting. Let's move on to this week's model of the week. It is Dino Surg. I've forgotten your name, proper name, but it's called Bruh on Discord, and this is his Spitfire, and I think it looks superb, but he doesn't like it, but I think it looks brilliant, and it did reach one of the highest likes on my Instagram page before another one did it. But anyway, it was a neat finish, and be more confident about your models as they are brilliant. Now, this is Fish Tank's diorama, a Japanese diorama. I think this is awesome. I struggle with dioramas and I'm trying my best with them, but this is awesome. Very good imagination. Paint the wood to make it a bit more, whether that should say look, but it said loon, oops. This is Spike's V2 rocket. This is awesome, and I love the way that the black stripes are painted so crisp and neatly. Crisp paint job, superb build quality, and I can't actually fault it. So, yeah, nice. Next we have Elliot's wonderful M41 Walker Bulldog, and I just love the extra details around here. The baskets, the grass, the shapes, it's lovely. This is another model that has seriously put me to shame. Well done, Elliot. Really, really well done. I love this model. So, overall, I love the boxes. Overall, lovely added detail, a neat camera scheme, an all-round great job. Sadly, that's the end of number 2 of subscriber models. I hope you did enjoy, and feel free to join in with them on my Discord server. I'll link in below. If you did enjoy this video, please feel free to like, and if you want to see more of my content and help me to 1k, please consider subscribing. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.